Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, today is the part 2 of my Revolution versus Olaplex trial test of the PLEX family. I honestly don't know the technology behind these products, so I'm literally throwing some words out there thinking that I might hopefully seem educated enough. I have basically tested out the WAVY kit and now I'm going to try out the Revolution version and see whether the more affordable, because this is most certainly more affordable version, works equally as much. If you have not yet seen the part 1, I encourage you to see it, but if you want a summary, I basically did like what WAVY did to my hair. However, for me personally, I think it's a little bit waste of money to buy the whole range. So the number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6. I actually like the number 3 restoring bonding cream the most, which is the sort of step 1. I think it smooths my hair really nicely and I would definitely invest in the bigger bottle. Is this better? Is this equally as good? Is this worse? Let's find out. If you would like to see whether the Revolution bonding PLEX technology for hair is worth your money, then just keep on watching. Like I did with WAVY, I did go on Revolution Beauty to see what they have to say about these products. Say goodbye to dry, damaged hair with the Revolution Hair Care PLEX range. Revolution Hair PLEX 3 is a restoring and conditioning PLEX treatment to use before shampoo and conditioner. What is PLEX? Revolution's PLEX triple molecular weight protein cascade system targets different layers of the hair fibre, helping to repair and strengthen damaged from within. The PLEX range not only contains the triple weight molecular protein system, but each formulation has been expertly formulated to provide the best ingredients for the hair. The protein system is made from 3 different types of plant protein that has been selected to target different parts of the hair fibre. The power combination of a word that I will not even attempt to read, and provitamin B5 work to keep hair hydrated and healthy, whilst a blend of conditioning agents help to soften and smooth the hair. Use step 3, 4, 5 and 6 as a routine to give your hair the love it needs. Restores, increases strength, conditions, enhances shine, reduces frizz. And the directions to use for step 3 is to apply to a towel dried hair for 10 to 15 minutes or overnight if deeper treatment is required. That is exactly what I'm going to do. I did dampen my hair. I'm not going to read every single description for this range because it's going to be pretty much the same. The whole range is kind of a whole thing, and they do advise to use every single step, which I do have here. Each of the steps, and there's 4 steps, costs £10 in comparison to the WAVY. If I were to buy every single product from WAVY, the full size, I personally had the trial kit for £22, but the whole thing from WAVY are £26 each, meaning they cost £104 altogether, and this one is £40. So you are technically saving £64 every single time you would choose to buy the Revolution. However, we will find out today whether that £64 might be worth it. Maybe this isn't as good as WAVY. I have high hopes, however, because I do like Revolution as a brand in general. Speaking of which, I did have a mask in my last testing video, and I will be putting on a sheet mask today as well. Let's finally get on with the hair. I need to put the Bond Restore treatment on first. Unlike the WAVY trial kit that I had, I'm not restricted with the amount today. I believe the WAVY had 30ml, this has 100, so I'm going to literally go in. I'm not even taking the cap off. I'm just going to unscrew the cap. That smells so good. Oh, that definitely smells better than WAVY. It's not that WAVY smelled bad. It actually didn't have much of a scent. It was very, very faint. This is quite fragrant, but I don't mind fragrance when it comes to hair. And this smells really, really nice. So, as mentioned, And just like the Olaplex kind of kit, I did dampen my hair. I didn't wash them or anything like that because that's not the instructions. You just need dampened, toweled, dry hair. So here it is. This is what my hair looks like. By the way, it has been a week since I've tried the Olaplex, so this shouldn't obviously have that much of an effect, especially with the fact that both this and Olaplex do say that you should be using this 2 to 3 times a week. So essentially what they are saying, how I'm reading it, this treatment pretty much lasts for until the next wash. I'm not sure whether Olaplex was this thick, but I feel like that's pretty thick and very, very cold. And I'm going to be very, very, very generous with this. I know, again, this could place Olaplex at disadvantage, but, you know, I can't measure out 30 ml from this. I could, but no. So I'm basically distributing the Bond Restore treatment, the number 3, all over my hair from roots to ends, just like Olaplex. I just checked. Olaplex in the trial kit had 30 ml, meaning roughly 1/3 would be fair. I probably used about half, which I still think is reasonably fair. I did manage to get every single strand on my hair, I feel like. And that's that. I need to let this sit in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. I actually remember sitting in Olaplex for 20, so I'm going to do the same for this one. In that time, I'm also going to put on a sheet mask. I recently bought the Blemish Prone Skin sheet mask, and this is the pack of 3. It has niacinamide, salicylic acid and witch hazel sheet masks. And I did go in and try out the salicylic acid. I loved that one. The witch hazel was quite nice, and today I will be trying out the final one, the niacinamide one, and yeah, just chill with it on. Why not? These are so good. I actually really like the fact that they had like a pack for blemish prone skin. I thought it was you know, a very good marketing idea. I like them. They fit my face. Oh, they are really cold upon application, but they fit my face perfectly. Some face masks, you'll get that, you'll find that if your mouth fits, your nose doesn't go on properly. If your nose goes on properly, your eyes are fully covered, or whatever. This has been cut out quite nicely. At least it fits my face. So, and I do have a reasonably big face. And now I'm going to chill for 20 minutes, then I'm going to come back. In fact, I'm going to go and wash my hair. This is the PLEX shampoo, and then obviously I'm going to condition. So I'm going to do the step 4 and step 5, and then I will come back to put on the step 6 with you guys. Alright, I'm back. I've washed my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner. The shampoo was completely different texture to what the Olaplex has. Olaplex was so thick, like that formula, at least the one that I had. Again, I had a trial kit. Maybe it's a little different than the full tube, but I highly doubt it. Anyway, that formula is like so thick. I had to put a little bit of water to get it moving, to get it to lather up. This one was fine. It was on the thicker side, but it distributed nicely. The smell wasn't as strong as the one in the Bond Restore treatment, but it is the same smell throughout. But the exciting part now, the Bond Restore styling cream. I actually quite like this with the Olaplex as well. It's essentially just like a little bit of a final touch. And again, I love the smell of this one. It just, they smell a little different. Every single one smells a little different. You can tell they tried to make the fragrance the same, but it's not. So this is my hair after it's been washed. Obviously I did hold in the conditioner in for 3 minutes, just like it said, and now I'm going to put a little bit of the styling cream through. Again, it tells you to put it through the mid length and towards your ends rather than focusing this on your roots. It makes sense. Obviously you don't want like super greasy hair straight away. What does this promise to do? Triple level hair bond technology helps protect hair, enhances shine, restores, strengthens and improves overall hair colour vitality. That was nice. Not much to say about that really. All I'm going to do now is let my hair air dry. Like I always do, I try to avoid using hair dryers as much as possible because my hair is already frizzy. It's already really dry, like dehydrated almost. So I don't need heat. And it kind of gives me better curl anyway. So let's see, will I have beautiful, shiny, frizz-free hair? Let's see. Okay guys, it's been a couple of hours and my hair is fully dried. I will be showing you my hair prior to any other treatment like the OLAPLEX and the Revolution PLEX range. I took this on a day where I washed my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, nothing with bonding technology. And then this is my hair after OLAPLEX, and now this is my hair after the Revolution PLEX range. I'm actually so surprised to see so many nice actual curls, a definition in the wave that I have today. It's mad because the shampoo and the conditioner didn't feel very like nourishing or anything like that. When I washed my hair, it was just like any other shampoo and conditioner, but clearly it's done something. This looks very nice and I'm very surprised. Look at this girl. Look how cute. Look how cute she is. That's so nice. Overall, I'm very pleased with this Revolution range. Number 3 from OLAPLEX, I believe it's called a Perfector. I think it's a little bit more powerful, so maybe when it comes to the number 3, the OLAPLEX is just a little bit better, but overall the range, surprise, I'm surprised myself. I really like the Revolution one. The smell is divine. I like this so much more. I didn't have that much of an issue when it came to a shampoo, and I know it's such a minor thing to have to dilute your shampoo a little bit under the shower when you shampooing your hair, which is what I had to do with OLAPLEX, but it is kind of inconvenient, and for that price, you know, you shouldn't have to do that. I will definitely use my number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner from this range on daily basis because, girl, this looks cute. Obviously it hasn't fully tamed my frizz. There are sections of my hair like this one. Right here I have like this patch at the top where there's no definition, there's just basically frizz. I don't know whether it's just damaged dry hair, but overall majority of the hair, look at that, like the curls slash waves at the back. Some people would die to have this wave. I would love to know your opinion on both of the ranges as well. I know so many of you love the OLAPLEX, so many of you have recommended the OLAPLEX to me. I have now tested the Revolution one as well, and I can honestly say that Revolution did such a good job creating this range. As always, I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found this two-part video useful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. But for now, thank you so much for watching. You are the best, and I hope to see you next time.